Okay, so here we are. We are the H&R Drone Racing Show. I'm Harry.
I'm Richard. We're in the Bay of Islands, New Zealand.
Yes.
We're going to start this
T-Story
special.
Yes.
And we're going to kick things off with our traditional starting to our
show.
That's right. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. H&R Drone Racing, H&R Drone Racing, H&R Drone Racing.
Yeah.
And thanks very much, T-Motor. And we were very
fortunate and thankful to be part of the saga. I guess it's
I guess it says the saga. Yeah. So there you go. And I guess we could say a little bit about ourselves, would you?
That's right. Okay. Well, like I mentioned earlier, we come from the Bay of Islands.
Yes.
New Zealand. This is literally next door.
So there you go. That's
over there. No, we don't.
This is our backyard, and we are very lucky to be here. Yes.
That's right. And T-Motor asked us if we'd like to do sort of like an interview or sort of explain a little bit who we are and what we do.
Yes. So they sent us a set of questions to answer. So we'll answer the first question, and the first question is, what brings you to the drone industry?
Well, I guess the first question would be, why wouldn't you? I think it's probably more appropriate. What would you say, Harry?
UAVs, drones, planes, RC planes is something that we've always done. We always like flying things. We always like making things.
Yeah.
And we always like making movies. So it's something that we've always done. And I think the drone industry kind of encapsulates all that in one for us.
That's right. So everything to do with like video filming, editing.
Yes.
And obviously to do with UAVs or drones, technology.
Yes.
You know, beyond 2000, that was our jam.
That was a TV show back in the day that we used to watch. Inspired us, as well as like shows like MacGyver and all that sort of thing. So we've always done that sort of stuff, and we always will.
That's right, yeah. So, and also, you're always pushing the limits of what's possible, whether we're doing the world's largest 3D printed heavy lift drone project that we did, or you're doing something like the wingsuit or the jetpack project.
Or the quad tilt rotor. Some of the projects that we're making, and many more.
And there's so many. Well, there's no limit on what you can do.
Yeah, in the drone industry, so thumbs up.
How long have you been with T-Motor?
Okay, so we are pretty fresh with T-Motor, but you can say that we have always admired their products, top quality, craftsmanship and machinery, and we always like to put the best parts in all our builds that we make.
It's the most safest and most reliable.
Yes, and so you can say that for a long time, but we've always had, with our drones, we always had T-Motor and those sorts of things. Yeah.
Over the many years.
Yes, and how many years do you think we've been flying, Richard, and making drones and planes and those sorts of things?
Pretty much our entire lives.
60 years of flight experience and those sorts of things. Drones didn't come into the factor. They didn't exist when we started, but we've always wanted to do that, make that step between flying and putting yourself in the cockpit, which you can do with the drones, FPV and all that sort of thing. So thumbs up.
That's right, because we started back in RC planes.
Oh yes, line of sight flying and those sorts of things.
And we still do that today.
Oh yes, we do.
And obviously now we're doing various forms of aircraft designing. Or UAVs, drones. Just push the limit and go for it. What's the most impressive thing happened when you fly the drones?
Okay, so I'd say when we flew the world's largest 3D printed drone, and then we strapped a 3D printer onto the top of it and flew it. I'd say that was the most impressive for us. What would you say, Richard? It was just the takeoff, just to get to that point when you've bolted down all the hatches and you've put it together and you got your fingers crossed and you're hiding behind a shield. And then you punch that button. Okay, yeah, here we go. We got takeoff. So that's kind of it for me.
Yeah, that's right.
What's another good highlight for you, Richard?
Pretty much when you do a new design, when you come up with an idea, and then you make it a reality.
And what is your user experience of T-Motor?
User experience, absolutely top notch. Talking about product, or are we talking about service? Because if we're talking about the whole experience, we'd say right off the bat, emailed T-Motor, they suggested various ones. Yeah, and we talked and collaborated with them. That was spot on.
To fit the design. It was just quite a unique one.
That's right. There's lots of other designs like the VTOL project that we're working with. Massive 2-meter dropship with tri-blade props, which is kind of something special that sort of relatively new that T-Motor brought out.
Very cool to put something like that kind of aesthetic tri-blade V44 configuration into the air. So yeah, make sure you stick around to see all that.
That's right, very much science fiction.
Meets reality.
Meets movie, meets reality kind of project. Very cool, very inspiring to do, to even attempt something like that. Very cool.
So yeah, thumbs up all around. How do we meet T-Motor? So we initially, when we were setting out to make the world's largest 3D printer drone, so we got in touch with them, and then it kind of snowballed from there. Any advice for T-Motor? Yeah, keep making good stuff. We're big fans. There you go.
Just keep doing what you're doing.
Keep doing what you're doing. Always push the limits and coming up with new stuff. Yeah. Just keep going.
And what products are you interested in?
Depends on the build that we're making at the time, what project we're making.
We're not one or the other.
No.
Just entirely situational. So whether you're making something for long range,
or you're making like a VTOL, like you're talking about the quad
project,
the dropship project. It's just one of those things. Which solution is best for you? What is the original intention of creating a YouTube channel?
It's fun, isn't it? To bring the experience that we're having with you. Right?
Yes, that's
bring along for the ride. So whether he's along for the ride too. So whether we're doing a live stream and we're bringing an audience to the action, or we're doing an episode or social media content, that's the whole point, right? Bringing people along for the ride.
That's what it's all about, and also getting to create new and exciting things. If you got a new product from T-Motor, who is the first one you want to share it with? It is absolutely you guys.
That's right.
Hence the reason why we do a YouTube channel, and you can follow us on all social media
platforms.
Yes, so there you go.
That was a pretty easy one, wasn't it?
Last question for this T-story is, what did you want to say to other drone pilots out there?
Well, any style that you choose to do, just go for it. Choose your own style and go for it, right?
Yep, and make something new, make something interesting, and make something that works.
Yeah.
Okay, saying that, we'll see each other on the next one. We're H&R Racing. I'm Harry.
And I'm Richard.
And we'll see each other next time. 3, 2, 1, go. H&R Racing, H&R Racing, H&R Racing. Yeah. Thanks so much. T-Motor out.